Excellence, innovation, boldness and an eye to the future. This is how FORTAPS was born in 1996. A family project in which 2 generations worked together, where long experience in this sector was combined with the drive to innovate. FORTAPS, leader in the design, manufacture and marketing of plastic ribbed inserts. Its plant has over 7,000 square meters of floor spaces devoted to spacious offices, a design and engineering department, workshop, manufacturing, handling and shipment. FORTAPS takes care of the whole process. When the process follows criteria of sustainability, efficiency and innovation, this is the result. 93% of orders are shipped on the same day. 24-hour shipment. Personalized service. Design of molds with calibrated steels and cutting-edge technology. Computerized machining. Zero waste cycle. Full automated traceability. Committed to excellence and quality, FORTAPS service is fast, punctual, personalized and error-free. Its products are made from top-quality, non-toxic virgin raw materials. All 100% recyclable, long-lasting materials, as well as over 1,650 standard items, in a wide range of sizes, formats and colours. It also makes custom ribbed inserts to meet all needs. Every link in the chain of production works to perfection, enabling FORTAPS to provide a guaranteed service free from stock breakages. One indicator of the impact of this optimization and efficiency is that a workforce of 12 people produces over 46 million pieces a year. FORTAPS is a guarantee of service and also of peace of mind. Control of shipments by geolocation makes it possible to keep the customer informed in real time. Care for the environment is another of the principles on which FORTAPS strategies for development are based. Cutting-edge technology enables the firm to achieve maximum efficiency. One example is its commitment to solar power. Its roof-mounted photovoltaic installation generates 60% of its energy. The heat produced by the machines is also used for climate control in the plant, cutting electricity consumption to a minimum. Workplaces are also designed with the well-being of the workforce in mind. Spacious, with natural light, quiet, and with perfect climate control. The cleanliness and excellence that sets FORTAPS apart in its service, design, manufacturing and quality control until the end product reaches the customer have enabled the firm to open up markets in more than 10 countries. Simplicity and constant improvement are 2 of the main drivers in this. The next challenge, to carry on innovating in order to provide the best products. FORTAPS, a company wired to the future.